up, everyone? Welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, because today we are going to be playing with some spoolies. Okay guys, so I do have spoolies right here in my Shein bag. If you guys ever ordered from Shein.com, keep the bags because they are so cool. You could just zip them and unzip them and it keeps everything safe and protected. I have so many of these bags and I use them for my natural hair products. So spoolies come in two sizes, guys. They come in a large size. You can see it looks just like this. This is where you'll wrap your hair on. And then they come in a small size as well. Spoolies, gotta love them. So we'll be using this as a hair tool to make the curl today, and I'm so excited. So let's get into what I used in the shower. And oh guys, this is another series in my natural hair product pair video because I use so many different products from so many different brands today. So we're gonna dive right into it right now. So first on the list is the shampoo, which I used in the shower. I took the honor of using the Amazon Hair Day. Right here, you guys have seen it on my channel so many times. I also took the privilege of deep conditioning my hair with the ancient Egyptian hair mask. Y'all, if you never smelt this hair mask, I'm telling you, the Main Choice are known for their smells. This smells amazing. So I just washed my hair and then I let the mask sit on my hair after I rinsed all the shampoo out for about 15 minutes. And then I went in with a leave-in conditioner. This is from the Exotic Kool-Aid line. When my products get down to like the nitty-gritty, I always just cut them open. You can see I only have like that much right there. So I just cut my products open because y'all, we all know these are not cheap. So if you need to do what you need to do to get every last little bit of drop of your products. You paid for it. Do not throw this in the trash. Use it. This right here is a leave-in conditioner. So you can use this with another leave-in conditioner. And man, y'all better get in that kitchen and whip that stuff together. Like, I'm telling you, cut your products open, use your products how you need to use them, and pair them together with other products. Like literally, I would put more leave-in conditioner in here from something that's just as much. Every last little drop counts, guys. Put that bad boy back on there. There you go. So that's how I do my products. So today all you're going to need are some clips. I'm just like dropping everything. You're gonna need today is some clips. You are gonna need a Felicia Leatherwood brush or whatever your detangling brush is, and you will need your spoolies. So let's get started with this hairstyle, and this is the next series in my natural hair product pair where we pair different products together and see if they work. All right, let's get started. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair. So I just put a plastic bag on my hair so it can remain as moist as I need it to, because if I don't, it would have just dried out. We don't want no dry hair, girl. We don't want no dry hair. What do you guys think about a middle part? I think I'm gonna do a middle part. I have not done a middle part on my channel yet, so we're gonna go ahead and just go right down the middle of my head. Ain't no turning back now, y'all. Gotta do the middle part. So for this one, I'm just gonna work from back to front and then on the other side back to front because that's what I feel like doing. I'm gonna go ahead and just start with a chunk in the back. So y'all, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the back of my hair. I want you guys to see how I am applying this to my hair, so I will meet you guys in the front when I get there. As you can see, I finished the back section. That's how it looks. I used the big ones in the front and then I started using the small ones at the top as I gradually got there. A couple things that I want to say for these ones, I will link these on the screen below, the description, if you do want to purchase them and you're considering or you're asking how many packs should I buy. At least 2. I don't care how much hair or not hair you have, buy 2 packs of these. You are going to be upset when you run out. So I used these in the past one time. I had to stop the installation process because I ran out of the spoolies and there's nothing I can do about it. So make sure you buy 2 packs of these when you do. Alright, so I did leave a little bit out. One thing I've been doing is taking my t-shirt and taking out the excess product, which is just the leave-in. I put a lot of leave-in on my hair because I want it to dry, so I just take a little bit of the leave-in out. Alright, so I am just gonna section off. You don't want a lot in the spoolie either. I'm making my parts like small medium. That's fine. Alright, so that's like a good section right there. I'll go ahead and pin everything else up out the way over here somewhere. So this is what we're working with. The first thing I'm going to do is take my wrap and roll, because why not use this on a spoolie from Jane Carter. I just take one pump of this and I smooth it on my hair. I then take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and comb it out, make sure it's nice and smooth. So what you're gonna want to do is, it has to be like straight. I know you can't really see it, but it has to be straight. So I'll just show it like this. You just want to wrap it just like that onto the spoolie and start to wrap it. But it has to be, your hair has to be straight like that. Just like that. I'm going to show you guys that one more time. So here's the hair, a good like small to medium size section. I do take the wrap and roll by Jane Carter with one pump. I go in and smooth that all over the section of hair. I then take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and brush my hair to make sure everything's out and it's nice and smooth. I like the big ones just because I can fit more hair on them. So you are just going to want to take your spoolie and wrap it on. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how to like, you just wrap it. Okay? From the side, you wrap it on. Just like that. But what you're going to want to do after you wrap it on, your hair must be straight. You see how it's straight? Make sure the ends are on pretty good. And then I just start to roll. It has to be straight. It can't be to the side, to this side, and then you're rolling. Because look, it's not straight. Straight. Everyone say straight. Just kidding. And then when you get it down to the scalp, so I rolled it all the way to the scalp, I just take it where it overlays at and go like that. And it's on there. So we're going to try again. We have another spoolie here. You could literally just pop it out like that. They're what, silicone, I think. I do like that they have the little like cuts in them, so the drying process, I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for like ever. You don't want to take these down, they not be dry. So we're going to break this down into two sections, and then that is it for this side, guys. I'm going to show you two more times how to do this, so you guys got it down packed. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you have your section ready to go is take your mousse with one pump. It's so hard for me to do it because my hands are slippery. And I get that all over my section. And then I do go in with my Felicia Leatherwood and I just brush it out. So then it's already open. What do? We get it straight. We want it nice and straight, just like that. So I wrap it on there, and then I start to wrap. It is straight, y'all. I cannot stress that enough. Have it nice and straight when you're putting it on there. If not, it will not wrap correctly. All right, last one. Your styling product. Get it on there. Comb it out. I'm gonna take another small one. Even though I really should take a big one, I'm gonna take the small one. Gonna go ahead and just wrap it on there. It is straight. And once I get to the top, I just clamp it down. And it may look hard when you're looking at it, but it's really super easy. All right, so you can see half my hair is done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And we can turn up some music. y'all, I am finally done. It took a while, and some of them are kind of coming loose, and I have to keep going back and making them tighter. I'm nervous about how these are going to turn out. I do have a net here, so I am going to go ahead and just put this net on so everything kind of remains in place, and I can still dry it easily because obviously it's a net. And if anything comes loose, like, it's in the net, so it's okay. And this is just how it's gonna have to look. Okay, so I am gonna allow this to dry. I will come back the next day because my hair is extremely wet and it's in this tight coil, so I know it's gonna take probably like 2 days to dry. I will be sitting under a hooded dryer before I go to sleep tonight, and I will be letting it air dry throughout the day as well. So we'll just wait and see for the results tomorrow, but I will catch you guys on As Always Aleia. Deuces. What's up, guys? And I am finally back. It's been about 2 days since my hair has been drying in these spoolies, and oh my gosh, it's been so long. I kept like taking one out to see if it's dry, and it wasn't. It took entirely too long for this to dry. But I don't know if it's dry or not. I went ahead and set under the hooded blow dryer. I used my attachment blow dryer, and we'll just have to see if it works. But before I get started, I definitely want to give a huge shout out to God is Dope. This is a black owned business. Check out the shirt. Loving it. Loving this color. This is not a sponsored video, but I definitely want to represent our black community, and who doesn't love God? So definitely love this shirt. I will leave the link in the description below if you guys want to purchase yours, but they're like always having sales and stuff like that, so I would definitely go check them out. It's called God is Dope. Alright, so I did scoot up a little bit and adjust the camera so you guys can see what's going on with my head. Lord Jesus, please let this be dry. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this out right here. This is what we're working with. Alright, y'all. This is gonna be a flop. I already know it's gonna be a flop. It's gonna be a flop. Alright, I've prepared myself. Okay, so I am gonna take some healing oil. I did mention this in my last video. This is the healing oil that was sent to me by a black owned business as well. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my hand, just so when we are unraveling, we don't have no hiccups or nothing like that. So hands are nice and oiled, and I guess we'll just start in the front right here with this one. Best way to unravel, I'm just gonna go like that. What the heck? This is going to be an interesting reveal. Let's keep going. I'm not even going to sit there and touch that one. Let's see. Well, at least it's dry in the front. Maybe I shouldn't have unraveled it like that. Wait, alright. Maybe when I like unravel them and make them look all pretty, I'm gonna take out a few and then start to go in and unravel. Like, they definitely feel dry. I don't like these curls. I'm gonna finesse it though, because this is what it is. Am I taking them out wrong? No, they're dry. They are dry. I sat under the blow dry forever and a day, y'all. The curl just looks so weird. I mean, that one's kind of cute. I'm finding some that are not dry at all. This one, it's very wet. When you're putting your spoolies in, it's important that you don't add a lot of hair to the spoolie so it can dry. This one was a little bit thick and it didn't dry at all. I do have some bobby pins here. I'm not even going to separate that curl. I'm gonna take me a bobby pin. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up some type of way. I'm not even gonna take it out because it's super wet. So we just gonna finesse it. So I had to fix that. I just popped it up some type of way and bobby pinned it. We're gonna keep it pushing. guys, so I took out all of the hair. I took out all the spoolies out of this side. We gonna make this work, but so far I'm getting like grandma vibes and I don't like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finesse it and make it look pretty in 3, 2, 1. All right, pause, rewind, take it back, time out. I don't know, but I like it. I am shocked, y'all. From the time that I had to take out and unravel the hair to the time that I finally finished this side, it looks really good. Like I'm shocked. Alright guys, so I am gonna go ahead and just take out the other side really quickly so you can see it, and bop bop boom bop. Y'all, alright, first of all, my hair did not want a middle part. I tried to keep it separated. We already discussed this in the beginning that we were doing a middle part. It just didn't happen with this hairstyle. This is how my hair wanted to lay, and quite frankly, I think it looks pretty damn cute. I am shook. Check out the spoolies. They done did their thing, y'all. So round of applause to our tool that we used today, which were the spoolies. And guys, remember, this video is going to be a part of my series in the natural hair product pair, because we paired together so many different products in this video and they worked. All of the products that we used, they work, especially that mousse, y'all, that leave-in, y'all. I'm just like, ugh. I am just so happy. Some of the bigger pieces that I had like in the middle and the back, I just had to tuck away with some bobby pins because they didn't dry, but like 98% of my hair was dry, which was very good. It just looks full and free and cute. I feel like a little grandma with these short curls. Like, I am feeling this look. We are spoolie approved, guys. I approve the spoolies. I'm so happy I used them. I'm happy I had time on my hands to sit for 2 days. But it was worth it in the end, because I know these curls are going to last all week and they are to die for. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.